Welcome back to the channel. So we're in Scotland and we're about to embark on the West Highland Way. So this is day one. We're heading from Milngavie up to Drimmen. It's about 11 miles. So let's get going. So we've just left Milngavie and we're heading up to Mugduck Country Park. Going through this forest on the sort of just outside Milngavie at the moment. There's quite a lot of people heading out today. It's the 8th of September. 8th of September. It's just before 9 o'clock and yeah, quite a few people heading out on the walk. So we've done baggage transfer for this walk, so left my bags with Baggage Freedom. They'll take them on to Drimmen and all I have to carry is a day sack, although I've got quite a bit in here. Anyway, so we're about half a mile from the beech tree inn. It's just coming up to 11 o'clock, so we've made good time. So it's going to be an early lunch before we head on to Drimmen, which at this pace we're probably going to get there for about 2 o'clock. Although I might take my time over the last bit and just take it easy, give the legs a bit of a rest. But yeah, let's get down to the beech tree, have lunch and a pint, and then we'll head on to Drimmen. Catch you in a bit. So we've just stopped at the beech tree inn, had an early lunch stop, and we're now heading towards Drimmen. We've got about 3.5 miles to go. It's only 12 o'clock, so I'm going to take it really easy. I might stop at Turnip the Beat, grab a couple of drinks for later. But yeah, I'll catch you when we get further down. So it's 4:45. We're just heading into Drimmen from the campsite just for tea. We got here about just after 2 o'clock. So we absolutely pounded those miles off this morning. So yeah, so off to find somewhere to eat. Have a bite to eat, then come back and then just relax for an hour or two, and then it'll be bed. So I'll leave it here and I'll leave you with some views, and I'll see you on day 2.